Hey guys, Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota on a beautiful rainy day here. It's actually pretty good to show you this. This is new on your 2022 Camry, and I wanted to show you these front accent lights, which weren't available before. This is on an XSE. You can kind of get an idea there. I've got the headlights turned on. You can see those accent lights that are all the way down here on the side. And then obviously you see your headlights there too. But I wanted to show you that. I'll also show you how it looks with those lights off, because a lot of times people want to know that. You can kind of see they blend in really good there to the grill, of course. And then the other thing I wanted to go ahead and show you while I was here, I'm going to show you those lights, and I've just turned these on to auto here, right? And it turns on with your regular lights, by the way. And then I wanted to show you with the hazard lights on, just because this is really cool look too, so you can kind of see how all of that looks too. So all your lights on the front of your 22 Camry when you have the accent lights. Real quick video, guys, but I wanted to show you those accent lights on your 2022 Toyota Camry. It is a option that's on there. I'm going to go ahead and show you this here too while I'm thinking about it. Show you your window sticker here. Front accent lamps are right here. You can see it says 379. So if you're wondering what that is, there you go. So Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota, downtown Nashville. Beautiful, beautiful day. Appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys have a great day. And tell me what you guys think. Like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys.